Alright, here's a little demo on how to set up and use MultiVid. Let's fire up the controller software on my Macintosh here, and also let's fire up the client on these three iPods here. A little poster movie plays, and while it plays, the devices register right here immediately inside the controller application. We see that there are no video clips loaded currently onto the devices. Let's bring up the hidden menu by triple tapping the bottom left corner of the screen. And we see there are no video files present. We see the device names, and we can check network status. We see there are two other devices, which are these two currently sharing the network. Alright, let's load content onto the devices, which is very easy. We just take a movie, encode it with QuickTime Pro in a format for export for iPod. Drag the files here and confirm that we want them to be sent to all of the connected devices. There is zero configuration to do that. The only thing you need is you have to have the devices share the same Wi-Fi network. We see here the incoming files. Two of the files have already arrived. The third one is still in progress. And the files are now immediately available for playback. So we can hit playback on the file right here on the Mac, and the files start playing synchronized on the devices. Let me stop those. Or we can also use one of the devices as a playback device. So I can start the video clip from here, and it's going to play back on these two devices. Alright, let's go back. Let's load another piece of media. Let's take this movie, send it to all. So let's start the second movie. And stop it. And play the first movie again. One of the more advanced functions is the snapshot feature. We can register a snapshot of all currently seen devices by hitting the little eye icon here. And immediately these three devices will start to be observed. So if any of these devices get offline, let's turn this iPod off, for a power failure or something like that, it will turn red in the controller application, and you will know that there is a problem before you start your playback. Let's bring this iPod back into the mix, start MultiVid. The server is continuously pinging and will find the device back online, and you're good to go for playback. If you want to play back content to an external screen, you need to attach a video out cable from Apple, and MultiVid will detect that there's an external screen attached and will play out your content to the external screens.